Next, if the radii of circular ends of a bucket in the form of frustum are 28 centimeter and 7 centimeter and the height is 45 centimeter, then the capacity of the bucket is, firstly understand what is a frustum. Frustum means these buckets which we use in our daily use. So, this lower base lesser, upper base bigger. This is an inverted bucket, but it can be not only circular. It can be of any figure. Means it can be square or it can be hexagon. Anything. It depending on what type of base it has. It will be called as that frustum. So our frustum is this, base is lower and height is this top is bigger. Earlier which we had shown, these were all inverted frustums, means base above and top below, and this is actually the bucket which we use, right? Okay, so what is given? The in form of bucket, in form of frustum with 28 centimeters as top, it should be R frustum. 28 at top and 7 at bottom. Now we have to find the volume of the bucket. The volume of frustum is, remember this formula, pi upon 3 into h into bracket r1 square plus r2 square plus r1 r2. Right? This is a basic formula you have to always remember for a frustum. Okay? Now it's actually frustum only, no r in between. Frustum. Okay? So once you get this formula, then it's easier. Pi upon 3 into h is what height. This 45 given. And r1 is 28. You can take anything r1, r2. 28 square plus 7 square plus 28 into 7. 28 square is 784. 7 square is 49. 28 into 7 is 196. Now 28 square 784. This you will have to remember always, right? Because that's why I always say learn tables up to 30. So 22 by 7 into 15 into total is 1029. So divided by 7 you get 22 into 15 into 147. Multiply this, you will get 48510. See here, I have separate videos for Vedic mathematics. Try those Vedic mathematics. It means instead of doing a normal maths, it will take use time in normal maths. And in Vedic maths it can be done on fingers. It's so easy. So 48510 cm cube. Okay, that is the required answer. Next, a sector of a circle of radius 12 centimeter has an angle of 120 degrees. It is rolled up so that the bounding radii